16 साल का अनुभव, 600 से ज़्यादा शहर और 5000 से ज़्यादा प्रोफेशनल्स। कंटिन्यू जर्नी का हिस्सा रहने के बावजूद जिस भी छोटे बड़े शहर में आर्किटेक्ट से मिलते हैं तो एक ही बात सुनने को मिलती है, किशनगढ़, किशनगढ़ और किशनगढ़। किशनगढ़ वो जगह जहां आपके छोटे से घर से लेके बड़े बंगले तक हर ज़रूरत को पूरा किया जाता है। यहाँ आपको भारत का प्रेस्टीजियस मार्बल, स्टोन, ग्रेनाइट सब कुछ मिलता है। तो दोस्तों, आप क्या कभी सोच सकते हैं कि मार्बल भी फैशन का हिस्सा हो सकता है? जी हाँ, वर्ल्ड का पहला और अकेला ब्रांड हाइक्यू फैशन सर्फेसेज के लिए जाना जाता है। और दोस्तों, मैं संदीप लठवाल आपका स्वागत करता हूं हाइक्यू के एक्सपीरियंस सेंटर से। और आप देखना शुरू कर चुके हैं द मटेरियल डायरी का शोरूम डायरीज। हाइक्यू जो कि दुनिया की शानदार फैशन ड्रिवन कैपिटल से इंस्पायर होके, जैसे कि मिलान, पेरिस, टोक्यो, न्यूयॉर्क, लंदन, अपने प्रोडक्ट को डिज़ाइन करता है। और जो मैंने अभी आपको बोला है उसको प्रूव करेंगे इनके सर्फेसेज जब आप अंदर जाएंगे और देखेंगे कितने शानदार सर्फेसेज यहाँ पे डिस्प्ले किए गए हैं। हाइक्यू के इस एक्सपीरियंस सेंटर पे आपको क्वार्ट्स, टेराजो, नियो मार्बल, सेमी प्रेस्टीजियस स्टोन, ये सब देखने को मिलेगा, जिसे आप अपनी स्पेसेस में यूज कर सकते हैं, अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। तो आइए दोस्तों, मैं आपको लेकर चलता हूं हाइक्यू के इस एक्सपीरियंस सेंटर पर। सो द प्रोडक्ट और उसके यूजर्स के बारे में अधिक जानकारी के लिए अब मैं आपको लेकर चलता हूँ कंपनी के को फाउंडर CMO सिद्धांत लूनावत जी के पास, और वो हमें इस शानदार लग्जरी सर्फेसेस के बारे में आगे बताएंगे। इसके बारे में सिद्धांत जी, स्वागत है आपका।
थैंक यू सो मच।
आप मेरे व्यूवर्स को अगर प्रोडक्ट के बारे में थोड़ा डिटेल में बताएंगे तो बड़ा आभार होगा आपका सर।
Sure. So our brand is called Haique Luxury Surfaces. So the idea behind the brand is to create surfaces from different materials. So we specialize in quartz, engineered marble, terrazzo surfaces, even magical surfaces like these, which are semi-precious stones. So the company was started back in 2016-17, and since then we have invested in multiple technologies and multiple plants, and creating these beautiful looking surfaces like a green quartzite like this and pistachio like this. So the idea is to keep innovating and create newer styles, newer looking surfaces, which is not available in the country, and not even available worldwide. We are because we are not copying anyone, we are creating our own designs. We do all of our R&D in our in-house lab, where we create these beautiful surfaces. So in a nutshell, we are working with over 100-120 designs on a regular basis, whether it is quartz or engineered marble or terrazzo. And everyone is seeing that quartz and terrazzo especially is becoming very, very popular in the country. And a lot of designers, the entire designer community is using these surfaces a lot. So our idea is to give them something new very often. Yeah.
So Siddhant ji, आपका एक statement है कि you bring design from the design capitals across the world.
Yes.
Like Tokyo, Milan, Italy, फिर सिंगापुर, न्यूयॉर्क. आप ये इतनी जगह से डिज़ाइन को कैसे सोर्स करते हैं?
So this is just an inspiration where we take from these global countries, because if you take New York or London, Tokyo, Milan, these are the design capitals in the world, right? Anything in the design community comes there first. So we take our inspiration from there, what's new. For example, New York is always glittery and glamour and, the city of the world. So we try to put that or emit that in our surfaces. Our Sparkle series, which is the flat iron black or Soho white, you'll always see a shimmer in those slabs. So that is the kind of inspiration we have taken from these countries and we put it in our surfaces.
So we are very strong in 4 different categories.
Right.
Quartz, फिर neo, then terrazzo, और उसके बाद semi prestigious stone.
Yeah.
अगर मुझे इसमें डिफरेंशिएट करना है चारों प्रोडक्ट के अंदर, क्या डिफरेंशिएट है, किस कैटेगरी के लिए कौन सा प्रोडक्ट सही है?
Sure. So Quartz is a product which is made for kitchen countertops, vanities, bathroom wall claddings, things like that. It's a very strong product, non-porous, stain resistant, scratch resistant product. So कहीं पे भी आपको hard use करना है, and especially like a place like kitchen where everything is in action every hour of the day. So Quartz is a great product for that. That's why we manufacture Quartz. Engineered marble, so we like to call it neo marble.
Neo marble.
Engineered marble and terrazzo. So these surfaces are used for flooring. We are trying to change the game. What's beyond natural marble? That is the neo marble. We are creating these surfaces which are large in size, large formats like these, and can be used for multiple lakhs of square feet.
Right.
Same with terrazzo. We take pride in the that we've built so many slabs. We have come up with so many designs in terrazzo which no one has ever done. And then semi-precious stone. Semi-precious stone is gorgeous. It's beautiful. It is a product which elevates your living. So if you have a semi-precious stone, even for Vastu, it's a good product, because a lot of people believe in Vastu and it's a great product for Vastu. Plus it looks beautiful. It looks really nice. It is a bit expensive, but India is all about expensive right now.
Right, sir. Undoubtedly, this is one of the finest experience center that Haique have in Kishangarh.
Thank you so much.
Why someone visit this experience center from anywhere, any part of world or any part of India?
So Kishangarh, as everyone knows, Kishangarh is the land of stones, land of marble, land of granite in this country. It is the biggest hub when it comes to the processing of marble and manufacturing of marble and marbles from around the world. If you go to Italy, if you go to Brazil, if you go to China, you will find everything what you find there in Kishangarh also. So it is definitely one of the best markets to be in, and because the retail movement is very good, the kind of people who are working here in Kishangarh are really good. Everyone is working like a unity, and there's a very good support from the locals. There's a good support from the retail market. So Kishangarh is definitely one of the best fits to have an experience center like this. So also in our product category, we are the first ones to have an experience center like this in Kishangarh. So it's something very new for the market, and we are really looking forward to have a great business here. It's definitely promising.
So how many surfaces or design you have displayed here or have in your stock?
I think when it comes to design, we have over 100 plus designs displayed in this area in our experience center. And we have stock for all of the quartz, all engineered marble, terrazzo, semi-precious, and we also have our own natural marble here, which we process in Udaipur, but we bring it down here for the customers.
Okay, and if you talk about the sizes and thickness, which all size or thickness product do you have?
So we have different sizes. Quartz and engineered marble are usually a fixed size palette. So a size like a 320 by 145 centimeters or a 325 by 165 centimeters is usually the size which Indian market prefers. Thicknesses can vary from 15, 16 mm, can go up to 18, 20, 30, lots of. So the idea is to create and customize for our clients. We have been able to really customize some of the stones for mega projects like the Gattani International Airport at at the Navi Mumbai.
Right.
Then we are doing a few hospitals around the country, which we take pride in. So we are doing some mega projects, and Haique is built for that. Haique is all about customization. Haique is all about the versatility of the product. So we are a great company to work with for all your stone needs.
So, two very important question. If someone want to buy Haique product, any part of India, are you available across India market?
Yes, definitely. We are available in almost every city of India now, every state definitely, because we need a good distribution network, and glad to have one of the best distributors in that local city helping us to promote the product there.
When you say you need a good distributor, what is the criteria? If someone want to be your distributor, any part of India?
It's very simple, to be honest. If you're already dealing into surfaces or construction materials like marble, granite, or surfaces of any kind, tiles, so you can be our distributor. It all depends upon the MOQ and the kind of deal we have. But yeah, usually our distributors are also the stockist who takes our material to their city, promotes it like their own, and promotes the brand. That's how the distribution works.
So, sir, product is genuinely, if someone is want to live a luxury life, meeting with their requirement, how, if we talk about the maintenance, how expensive or how easy to maintain these products?
So Haique, we say luxury surfaces, but that doesn't mean that we are not affordable or we are too expensive. We are selling affordable luxury. A luxury you can afford and you should afford to elevate your house. So this is something which is very, very unique for you. We have taken a lot of feedback, a lot of data from our customers, and people just around who are using Quartz, who are not using Quartz, things like that. So we made the product very versatile for the Indian market, because the Indian market is growing, it's developing, but also the mindset is developing. Earlier everyone was using traditional granites and whatnot for their surfaces, but now everyone's moving towards using Quartz. So it's a great product for the Indian market. If you're using it in your kitchens and vanities and stuff like that, no doubt you can completely use it.
So people came here in Kishangarh for marble only.
Right.
But you are offering something different.
Yes.
What make you different from other, and honestly, what inspire you to get into this much of expensive product?
So we also come from the marble and granite industry. Our legacy goes behind 50 years as Aravali Group of Udaipur, and we've been one of the pioneers when it comes to the marble quarrying and marble mining and granite and stuff like that. And we think productivity lies in innovation. So we want to keep on innovating, and we want to keep on building new products and lines, and keep offering different new things to the market. We can't be having the same stuff for so many years.
Yeah,
And
right.
the country is evolving, the people are evolving, customers are evolving, so you need to evolve with them. What new can you offer?
How you aligns with the architect and designer needs?
I think you should refer to that board, where we have our customer base. We are working with one of the top clients of the country, and not just the country but the global markets. We are working a lot with architects, interior designers, who are actually the main backbone behind design and creativity. So what we have to offer is their design intent and how they can use our products in their portfolio.
So I have seen some beautiful mock-up and surfaces being displayed in experience center. This is the stockyard basically,
Yes.
where we have that much of product. So if you take us through this mock-up and the display area as well, that will be a great support to us.
Sure.
So here we are in display area. So please.
This is one of the parts of our experience center where we have showcased our full-size slabs. So you can see the size, you can see the grandeur of the slabs, and we have displayed our Quartz, we have displayed our engineered marble, something like this in a simple sandstone finish. This is also possible on our surfaces, which people are not aware of. So this is the beauty of it.
Beauty.
So this is our Aravali Onyx, where it all started. This is the legacy product. We hold a world monopoly of the product, and we are extremely proud of this surface. This is what we mine, and this is how it all started.
So which all are the application area of this product?
It's simple, it's a marble and onyx category marble, so you can put it on your floors, you can put it on your tabletops. Not kitchens obviously, because putting a marble on kitchen is not ideal, but everywhere else you can just simply put it.
So here we can see some customization from the house of Haique. Can you please brief about this customization part as well?
Like you asked me about, why you keep on doing different things. So once we got into engineered marble and terrazzo and stuff like that, now we think the idea is to elevate the places by, showing some CNC patterns, some water jet finishes. So this is our next step. Haique is getting into a new segment called Arc by Haique, where we display all our surfaces in a very cool manner, very different styles, to elevate your living.
Right. So this is the part of.
Yes.
It's all. Wow. This one looks so beautiful.
Yeah, so it is also built in with all our quartz surfaces, which is very rare to see in the industry. Usually people use sandstone or limestone or Gwalior mint, but we have made this using entirely our quartz surfaces, which people are really not aware of, and you can do some amazing stuff. This as a highlighter of your house or your apartment or your bed back, everything, it's going to look amazing.
You have a lobby area and
Yes.
you can put it anywhere. And this is completely into CNC.
This is completely a CNC design. We have done again on our quads. You can see the depth of the design. We've taken 30 mm surfaces and created these super beautiful curves in it.
Wow.
Again, used for your highlighters.
Great. So Vikasji was telling me about this is tree.
Yes, so this is actually a fossil. Millions and millions of years ago, the tree logs gets compressed under the earth and they create fossil-like surfaces. So we take them out and create these beautiful basins out of it.
So you polished it?
We polished it. These come in different sizes, so we have to do a lot of work on it. We have to create beautiful art pieces out of it. So
Right.
it takes a lot of it. Here you can see a nice kitchen cabinets. You can see our counter here, which is the island. Everything here, what you see here, is done in quartz.
Yes.
So it's just the idea behind is to show the application in your own house. So you're building a house, apartment, any kitchen. Movement, you can use our quads everywhere. Again, this is also done on quads. Again, a very unique finish. This is done with a water jet machine. Very rare in India. There are only a few machines which have come from Italy, and
Seen first.
we're doing something extraordinary with it. And this is just amazing. Someone having this in their own house, any guest would ask, where did you get it from?
Yes.
And Haique is the answer.
Indeed. This one is the best.
Again, another example of a hydrojet finish done in an Aravali onyx stone. Looks amazing. You can see the curves, you can see the detailing, you can see the shimmer. It's all done with an Italian water jet machine.
Right. So if someone want to see this entire process of manufacturing, how one can?
You just need to come to Udaipur, get in touch with us, and we'd be happy to show you the factories, the setup, and everything. Everything is in-house. Nothing is sourced from outside. That's just amazing, and we're really proud of, because the ultimate idea is to have the best quality surfaces, and we are able to do that.
Thank you so much, Siddhantji.
Thank you so much. It was a pleasure having you here. Thank you so much.
It was really a knowledgeable session for my viewers as well. So, दोस्तों, आपने अभी कंप्लीट शोरूम डायरीज में पूरा डिटेल के साथ प्रोडक्ट को, उसके एप्लीकेशंस को, अवेलेबिलिटी को समझा। मैं संदीप लठवाल द मटेरियल डायरी के एपिसोड से आपसे विदा लेता हूँ। एक नए एपिसोड में एक नए प्रोडक्ट के साथ आपसे फिर मुलाकात होगी। थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you.